Largo da Companhia de Jesus,耶稣会纪念广场. At the foot of São Paulo ruins, oh, 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 São Paulo ruins, oh, Macau. The steps like the Largo da Companhia de Jesus.
Okay, so we're in Macau. This is Sao Paulo ruins. We're going to be walking down this street, which actually has a name. I'll highlight the name. You can see it down below anyways, but we're going to be walking directly down this way. So stay tuned, we put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, but we're at the base of Sao Paulo ruins. There's also a fort up there, Fortaleza, Mont Fort. Okay, let's put this up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So we're at the base of Sao Paulo ruins. We're going to, a lot of people are going to go in and take a look. There's the Fortaleza, there's the fort up there, so you can go all the way up to the top, overlook from up there. And then we have many people up at the top. Oh, actually, I kind of want to go, let's see if I can go down this. And then all the way down. So this right here is, it's a, like Love Lane, Passion Street. Okay, so we're going to be walking down that way. We'll see what that star is, and we're going to walk all the way down to there. Let's go down to another space here. So there's the Passion Street right there. And actually that's the other side of Macau, so you can see Sao Paulo ruins is actually up on a hill. And there used to be also like churches in this area, school, a Jesuit school. So they had the church, the fortress. So I think they fought the Dutch from up there. There's cannons up on top of that fortress. And then the school, I believe, would have been down in this area. And then there's Mateus, there's a thing that says RICCI. There's a statue of him over there. So so Mateus, let's just walk that way a little bit. Matthias Ricci, his statue is directly that way, and he was one of the first ones to proselytize. Okay, let's go down. Okay, let's see. So I believe the school was like right in this area. I believe now that's at Uniqlo, but there's a school right where that Ricci is at. ICCI, Ricci. That was actually an Italian Jesuit who was here in the 1500s. So he's commemorated in the statue, and then his name will kind of pop up in different places. Okay. So yeah, everybody has their cameras out here, so we'll go to the base. Imagine having these apartments here, these balconies. It kind of, I don't know if that would be good or bad. Those balconies would be amazing. But this particular area at nighttime will be quite quiet. But some people will come out and they'll just kind of hang out in the evening, drink beer and such like that. So if you were living here, it could be a little bit. Okay, there we go. So Passion Street's right down that way, and then this is actually called Resurrection Street, which is parallel. And then this particular street, there's some street signs that I didn't film yet, but I'll film in a moment. Let me see. Okay, so let's go around the people here. Okay. So the name of the street let's try to find the street here. Okay, let's just take a look one more time. Let's see here. This would be a popular, I'll see this shot right here with some other ruins. So that would be a popular one to capture for tourists. Okay. Got a slow moving vehicle. Let me see. Here we go. So this is the name of the street right here. So Largo, the square of the Company of Jesus. Okay. So we're just going to go across the street a little bit. So that's our target street right there. And we are going to go down. This is St. Paul Street, so we're just going to go down slightly. And so people go all the way up to the Sao Paulo ruins, all the way down from Senado Square. Okay. So let me just see here. So I guess we're gonna end it right there. So that'll be the end of the video. It's so crowded. It's so hard to film here because somebody's always in your shots, which is great. But okay, so anyways, we're gonna end it right there. So that is a slice of Macau, and that's right by Sao Paulo ruins.